This is Opie. Hope everybody out on Facebooky land had a good Friday. Mama J went this afternoon to run her few errands and to get her hair colored. So it making her feel better to get out of the house for a little bit because Winnie Tanny was getting on her ever last nerve. So they got a break from each other this afternoon. Mama J said they get to start over now and hopefully things will be better. Winnie Tanny going to the Batman next week with Henry Minry, so the Batman can see if he can help Winnie Tanny a bit. We just had our dinner. Grandpa T is doing goody and had all of him gruel. He wickied his bowl clean. Me and Winnie finished our dinner. Yum, 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 in my tum-tum-tum. I'm not sure what we're going to do tonighty. We're going to hang out with Mama J. We may do a little house cleaning and finish some laundry. Just some things like that. Just be kind of hanging out. I've been trying to teach Henry Minry how to say, "That's right, I'm a boy dog." We'll let him say it a little bit, see if he does it righty. Woof, woof. This is Henry Minry. Hi everybody, hope you had a good Friday. Opa's been trying to teach me how to say this boy dog line, and we're going to try it. We're going to try it a little bit. That's right, me a boy dog. Opa says I don't have it down just right. Let me try it one more time. That's right, me a boy dog. You're going to keep practicing on it, because I don't have it quite down like Opes got it. Of course, Opes a little older than me. His voice is a little different. But me working on it, Mama J says me doing goody. We'll keep practicing. Hope Sally Mae can come over one day this weekend, because I'm just about up to my bulldog ears and Winnie Tanny. She's going to the Batman with me next weeky. We love you, her. Mama says patience. A lot of patience, patience, patience. Hope everybody have a good evening. Love you. Oof, oof.